again. Do it, do it.
Ladies, can I play a song for you all? Now all I need is y'all to pronounce my name.
Maxdon, tiniente, nitida.